Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing your devices and confirming prerequisites. Install Google Authenticator and log into Treasure Fund. This ensures you can scan the code. Once logged in, open Account Security Settings and choose Two-Factor Authentication. Make sure to enter your account password again when prompted. Treasure Fund requires confirmation before showing the QR code. While waiting, locate your recovery codes section so you can save them after setup. This prevents lockout if you lose your phone. Once you see the QR code on Treasure Fund, open Google Authenticator and tap to add a new account. Use the scan option to capture the on-screen QR. If the camera fails, choose Manual Entry and type the provided secret. After adding, Google Authenticator generates a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Quickly type that current code into Treasure Fund's verification field and submit. If it accepts the code, the link is active. Make sure to save any offered backup codes immediately. To finish, store your backup codes in a secure place and confirm Treasure Fund shows two-factor authentication as active. You should test by logging out and signing back in. When prompted, open Google Authenticator and enter the current 6-digit code. If the code is rejected, first check your phone's time settings and enable automatic date and time. Authenticator codes depend on accurate time synchronization. If problems persist, use a saved backup code to access your account and relink Authenticator following the same steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.